everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to make Sholeh Zard, which is a very traditional Persian dessert, and it's very simple. It's very easy to make it. The first ingredient is basmati rice. So you can soak the basmati rice overnight, wash it a few times, and then add for 1 cup of basmati rice, you can add 3 cups of water because this has to be kind of liquid while it's cooking. And then we're going to, in the second process, we're going to add sugar, butter, saffron, and almond, chipped almonds. So let's actually put the pot here. I soaked the rice last night. I washed it 2, 3 times. I added the water. All I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cook and we'll come back to it in a minute. Rice and water was actually boiling about 20 minutes now, so we're just going to stir it a little bit. You see the rice is getting really soft and mushy, and then a little bit later, we're just going to add saffron water and sugar and butter. But you have to stir it once in a while. Okay, here is 1 gram of saffron. I'm going to add some boiling water to it. Stir it. About 1 cup of boiling water. Then for 1 cup of rice, I add 1 cup of organic sugar. Then you stir it. If you like it sweeter, then you can add more sugar. And then I gradually add it to the rice that's already boiled, and it's really soft now. I can add a little bit of more water to this because you don't want to lose or waste any saffron. And you got to make sure, because this is not something that you cook every day, you have to actually use really high quality ingredients, such as really good rice. I use ahu barre, and I use Persian saffron and organic sugar. Then after that, I need to add the butter. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of Kerrygold butter because it's really good quality butter to this one, and let it melt, and after a little while I'm coming back to it. When you see this consistency, everything is mixed very well together. You might want to use an immersion blender to make everything blended together and make it very soft and smooth. Sholeh Zard is very smooth and very beautiful. The reason you're using an immersion blender is this is a dessert, so you don't have to see individual grains of rice. At this point, I have some chopped almonds, and I'm going to add a big handful to this Sholeh Zard, and I leave some for the garnish. after you add the chopped almonds, you don't have to wait much longer. It's just about 5 minutes. And then you take it away from the stove, stir it, careful, and then you can just plate it and serve it. I added chopped almonds on top, and then I'm just going to add a little bit more saffron to make it even more beautiful. Here is our beautiful, delicious Sholeh Zard, and I want to thank my mother who taught me how to make these amazing meals and desserts. I thank you so much for watching the videos. Bon appetit, Nushe John, and see you next time.